my model kit review of my Boulton Defiant by Airfix in 1:72 scale. This is one of my more recent kits that I've built. This kit was painted only with acrylic paint, by Humbrol Acrylics more specifically. If you've seen my other model kit reviews, short reviews, you might already be aware of that, as the paint pigment is perfect. No issues with the color whatsoever. I used decal solution also with this. No weathering or anything, and no chipping. I didn't want to do any chipping. I wanted to make this kit look a little bit more factory new, as opposed to more war damaged like some others that I built. I wanted to build the Boulton Defiant because I think it was a bit interesting, because it kind of reminds me of, it's like a hybrid between a Spitfire and an Avro Lancaster. At least the gunner portion is. I think it's really cool, though it was not a very successful aircraft in the grand scheme of things. I think it's a fantastic kit. You can build this in black as well, and it comes with teeth and everything. I just wanted to build the daylight variant. I think it's a fantastic model. I did make a mistake with this, however, and the wheels, I'm pretty sure it was my fault. Almost all the time it's my fault, but the wings, the actual wheels broke, so I had to like makeshift glue them together so they look absolutely atrocious. But other than that, if you're not looking at the wheels, I think the kit is relatively okay. I would definitely recommend it for beginners, but it's a little bit more complicated than, say, the Spitfire. The prop doesn't move. It does have lights here on the front, so do be careful with that, and be careful with poly cement. Unlike me, I did use poly cement, and not only did they not fit properly, but they kind of fogged up. That's a bit unfortunate. All in all, I think it's an absolutely fantastic kit. Could have done a bit better, could have done some more weathering, but I just wanted to keep this kit the way it was. All in all, I think it's an absolutely fantastic kit, and I definitely recommend anybody who would like to build a Boulton Defiant to go ahead and try this kit. It retails online for around 15 euros. I bought it for at least for 15 euros, but maybe cheaper or more expensive depending on where you live. But all in all, I definitely recommend this kit. Alright folks, hopefully you enjoyed my short review. Take care.